10 natural and effective ways to develop vaginal tightness. It's just like regaining your virginity. In today's world, not too many men mind a girl being a non-virgin. But yes, there are plenty of men who still root for this. That is why some girls fear about being a non-virgin before marriage. Once the vaginal membrane, known as the hymen, is broken through intercourse, we are said to no longer be a virgin. This can only be verified by a medical test, and even then it isn't 100%, as there are many things that can rupture the hymen. So girls, there is no need to worry. There are some easy steps to follow that can help restore health and tone to the vagina so that its tightness is restored, making you seem like a virgin again. 10 natural and simple ways to regain the tightness of your virginity. These tips will also help you in tightening up your private parts for better experiences and sensations during intimacy. These methods are not all scientifically proven, but they have been reported to be really effective throughout time by women who have used them, myself included, and although I haven't tried them all, the ones I have used have definitely worked and been well worth the effort. Try these natural methods to regain vaginal health and that virginal tightness again. Number 1. Exercises for pelvic floor muscles. To regain your virginal tightness, you need to contract your pelvic muscles by doing some exercise. Just as with any other muscles, we can tighten up the pelvic floor muscles, which pulls in and pulls up all of the muscles and surrounding anatomy of the vagina and vulva. The easiest way to identify these muscles is to stop the flow of urine when doing a pee. This will help you to locate exactly where these muscles are. Don't do this repeatedly though. This is only to identify the muscles and can be harmful if done repeatedly. You will notice that all muscles surrounding your private parts pull together tightly. Now you have identified the right part to exercise. Number 2. Use Benoit balls. Pelvic floor muscle exercises alone are sometimes not enough to tighten up your private parts as much as you would like. In this case, you need to insert Benoit balls, which are also known as geisha balls. They prove to be very helpful for tightening your parts and restoring the elasticity of the vagina, as they add resistance to further train the muscles. When starting to use these, start at the smallest weight and work upwards, so that you gradually increase tone and tightness. This is important to do so that you don't overtire or overstress the muscles. Too much too soon will have the opposite effect to what you are aiming for. Imagine it as a gentle, discreet workout. Start small and build up to a regular exercise routine to gain maximum benefit. Number 3. Intimate Secrets of Eve. Eve Intimate Secrets, made from natural ingredients, claims to help you regain a tight vagina, the benefit of which is more pleasure for you and your man during intercourse. This magic stick is more visually pleasing, and it can make you feel more youthful and therefore more confident. It claims your lady parts will become tighter after using it for 1 week. There are many products on the market that offer these benefits, but do your homework properly for genuine products and only use the ones that have got positive reviews from satisfied customers. This will save you from being disappointed, wasting any money and/or potentially using a scam product that could be harmful. Number 4. Exercise and sweat. Along with pelvic floor exercises, go for other exercises like Pilates and yoga. These exercises incorporate working on the pelvic floor muscles and strengthening your core muscles together, which will help your pelvic floor muscles stay tighter for longer. A simple exercise to do anywhere at any time is tighten your pelvic floor and pull your tummy button in as tight as you can, as though you are trying to pull it right back to your spine. Hold this for about 10 to 30 seconds and release slowly. Repeat through several repetitions. Within weeks, you will notice a distinct difference. As with any exercise, to gain the benefit, it has to be done regularly. Number 5, go for a healthy diet. To keep your pelvic floor muscles firm and healthy, exercise alone is not enough. You also need to feed the muscles correctly, daily, to ensure its correct growth and repair. So it's important that you get a healthy diet full of whole grains, organic carbohydrates, organic lean animal protein, and organic fruits and vegetables. Not only will this help maintain strong, healthy muscles, but you will look and feel radiant because of feeding your body with the correct nutrition. Number 6, try gooseberries. Gooseberries are a rich source of vitamin C, which will help in tightening the vagina naturally. All you need to do is boil the gooseberries in water and thereafter keep it in a container in the fridge for up to a week, and you can make up a new batch whenever you need to. Before taking a bath, apply a small amount of the liquid to your vagina, as this will help in regaining the elasticity quickly. But a word of warning, applying this solution in excess can cause negative effects, so use it sparingly, and as with all other products, try a very small tester amount to ensure there is no allergic reaction prior to using it properly. Number 7, oak gall. Oak gall is another natural product which has been found to be helpful in tightening the walls of your vagina. It is also known as oak apple, but it's not edible. It contains a lubricating and soothing element. All you have to do is grind some oak gall, make a fine gel-like paste, and apply it on your vaginal walls. Research conducted on women with vaginal relaxation using a weak extract of oak gall revealed that the sense of satisfaction and orgasm, the sense of vaginal tightness during intercourse, vaginal lubrication, and vaginal dryness were all significantly improved. Please be sure to source authentic products from reliable sources to ensure effectiveness, hygiene, and safety when using natural remedies. Number 8, Pararia mirifica. Pararia mirifica is a wonder plant which is found in the northeast of Thailand and Myanmar. Over the years, it has been used as a female hormone supplement. According to some experts, utilizing this natural home remedy for tightening the vagina is very helpful. But its benefits don't stop there. Due to the estrogenic properties, it also gives your vagina a firmer and tighter complexion and could be helpful for those with vaginal atrophy. It is also frequently used as an aid for natural breast enlargement. Number 9, Curcuma camosa. This is another herb native to Thailand, which is very helpful for tightening your lady parts. Moreover, it aids muscle repair and has been found to be helpful in uterine issues such as prolapse. This herb is not easily available in the market, and if you find it, you might not need the other things. Number 10, aloe vera. Aloe vera is among the most popular herbal plants on earth. It can assist in increasing the elasticity of your vaginal skin, making it more flexible through elastin and collagen repair. Aloe vera can prevent vaginal dryness and irritation. It is effective in strengthening the muscles of the vagina and attaining fast relief from genital problems. We hope you found the information in this guide helpful for your vaginal health and virginal tightness. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video to let me know what you would like to see next and what type of videos you want me to create for you. I will be able to respond back to you as soon as possible. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.